So right here you can see in the foreground the three departing crew members, Sergey Ryazanskiy on the left there, Oleg Kotov in the middle, and just floating to the back in the gray jumpsuit is Mike Hopkins. So right here you can see in the foreground the three departing crew members, Sergey Ryazanskiy on the left there, Oleg Kotov in the middle, and just floating to the back in the gray jumpsuit is Mike Hopkins. The three were loading into their Soyuz TMA-10M spacecraft. See Mike Hopkins, NASA astronaut, giving a quick wave farewell there. The astronauts loading into the craft. This view from inside the Poisk module in the Russian segment. Ryazanskiy will be in the left seat of the craft, Hopkins in the right seat. And in the center will be departing Expedition 38 Commander Oleg Kotov, giving a quick hug there to Koichi Wakata, the now commander of the International Space Station, who will remain on board for Expedition 39. Kotov now there, moving into the spacecraft from Poisk. You can see some of the Sokol launch and entry suits tucked just to the lower left of the craft. There, Kotov and Ryazanskiy giving the final wave goodbye before Kotov will now reach up and prepare that hatchway for its final closure. This happening earlier this afternoon at 3:58 p.m. Central Time. You see Kotov on the left, Mike Hopkins in the middle, a little towards the back, and Sergey Ryazanskiy on the right, waving goodbye to Mikhail Turin, Rick Mastracchio, and Koichi Wakata, who will remain on board. Now the craft conducting a series of leak checks, the crews on board ensuring the integrity of their spacecraft as they continue to move towards the next major milestone of tonight's events, which will be the undocking of that Soyuz TMA-10 from the International Space Station.